What is going on, my future crypto millionaires and possibly, dare I say, billionaires? Okay, hope you guys are having a great day because I'm going to be talking about some more Robinhood crypto and really just help anyone out there who is a beginner thinking about getting started here. I'm also going to be breaking down my current 600K portfolio. And I was able to grow this thing from, 50K to 600K in less than 4 months. But to give you guys a little context, I've been using Robinhood for over 10 years. I've done everything on here from trading stocks, stock options, crypto, and I've even used the margin feature for borrowing money to make even more money. But when I first started using Robinhood, I basically started with a couple $1,000s I saved up, and then I just continued adding a couple $1,000s, every month for a couple of years, which allowed me to grow my first account to like 50K. But it took time, right? It's not like I just, magically made a ton of money. I eventually really just built up my first account on here to like 400K, and then I cashed out most of that money. Now, fast forward to today, I'm only using Robinhood for cryptocurrency trading, but my recipe for success has worked a couple times now, and all I'm really doing to grow and make money on here is swing trading. And really, the recent story for how I was swing trading on here was right before Donald Trump won the election, 2024 election. I was trading Bitcoin. I had like 50,000 to start on this account, and I was able to get it up to like 62. So I was swing trading, and basically swing trading, you're just trying to, sell when the market's starting to go up in price, and not, get greedy with it, and then buy when it goes down. And it always happens, not with just Bitcoin, but with all of crypto. That's just kind of how it works. And you get a better feel for it. There's also tools out there that can help with swing trading. But as soon as that happened, what I did was I bought Dogecoin because I saw Elon Musk pumping Dogecoin on his X page. And then, the next like day or two, Dogecoin tripled in price. Now, I actually cashed my money out of Dogecoin. And at that point, I had like 180K. I threw it all in XRP on here. And then, XRP basically skyrocketed from, I want to say like, it was like 60 or 70 cents to over like $2. Now, XRP is one of my bigger cryptocurrency holdings. I don't hold it all on Robinhood. I have a lot on offline wallets. This is kind of like a trading account for me right now. But that's how I got here. And it was all with swing trading. And I can't like get too in depth with that right now, but understand that like there are risks to swing trading, but it's a lot less risky than day trading where you're trying to like time the market every single day. Swing trading, you're typically holding a crypto or a stock for anywhere from like a week to maybe like a few months. It just depends. But you have to have some emotional control with it and some patience, which I do because I've been doing this for a while. But let's talk about some of the pros and cons that most people aren't going to tell you about Robinhood crypto. And I'll start with the pros first. And to me, the biggest pro is that Robinhood, when you do buy cryptocurrency on here, they do hold the majority of coins in cold storage, which is just entirely disconnected from the internet. It gives you an extra layer of protection. They've also got two-factor authentication on here, which is nice. And they also carry crime insurance that protects a portion of the assets held across their storage system against losses from theft. I've actually got the page pulled up here, including cybersecurity breaches, and it says the policy is underwritten by Lloyd's Syndicate, the world's leading insurance marketplace. And then it says their security team routinely review codes and infrastructure for Robinhood crypto that engage in third-party systems, et cetera, et cetera. Bottom line, guys, I've never had any issues here with anything, and I've been using them for over 10 years. I made a lot of money, and that's the bottom line there. But there are some cons as well, and really there's two. I mean, the first is you're basically responsible for your crypto. So if you decide to buy crypto on here and you try to send it somewhere, whether anywhere to like another wallet or something, or something like that, it's all on you. They're not going to help you out if you lose that. The second thing is you have to trust them enough to keep your money on here, which brings me to the second part of this. And like I already said, I've been using them for over 10 years, and I've done a lot of trading on here. And even though you're going to see a lot of mixed opinions from people, whether it's in a subreddit you're going to find on Google or someone else who might have had a different experience that they posted a YouTube video on. It's all good because I'm giving you guys the proof that I hold a crap ton of crypto on here, and it's been nothing but good times, and I made a ton of money. And of course, I have to mention this. If any of you guys do want to get started on here and start growing your wealth with crypto, I'm going to have some bonus and resource links for getting started on Robinhood Crypto directly below in the description of the comments of this video. And if you're not sure where to get started right now as far as coins to buy, I do want to, push you all to at least consider XRP because I think it's a great long-term hold, not financial advice. And I do want to go over a recent article from the Crypto Basic here that I thought was interesting. Because if you don't think you can get rich with XRP, even with a small investment right now, I'll tell you what, guys, it's one of my favorite cryptos, and you definitely can. I'll also link this article, up directly below in the description. Basically, it says Versen Ara, founder of Black Swan Capital, shared a bold new perspective on XRP, the third biggest crypto asset. In a recent tweet, Ara asserted that holders of XRP are not simply investing in a cryptocurrency. According to him, they are safeguarding a critical asset that serves as a key to the future of global finance. You're not just holding crypto assets with XRP, you're holding a key to the new financial system, Ara said, which is a pretty bold statement. His statement suggests that XRP could play a crucial role in the evolution of global finance. I mean, I kind of believe that too. He stressed the importance of protecting one's XRP tokens and storing them with non-custodial services. Ara believes these critical steps are necessary because XRP represents more than just wealth. In his new view, XRP is also an access point to an entirely new financial ecosystem taking shape. Notably, Ara's latest commentary on XRP highlights the prevalent optimism surrounding XRP's prospects in the community. Last month, wealth mentor Linda Jones even compared holding XRP to the early shares of Berkshire Hathaway. She used that analogy to urge investors to be patient for long-term gains. Meanwhile, Ara is known for his ambitious views on the XRP market. His latest statement aligns closely with his earlier bold predictions for the asset. For instance, in August 2023, Ara boldly argued that owning XRP could mean owning part of the global money supply. He is particularly optimistic about XRP's future if the XRP ledger becomes the main platform for tokenizing global assets. Another commentary, Ara suggested an investment of $5,000 in XRP could grow to over $2 million. He referenced XRP's historic surge from 2016 to January 2018. At its peak, a $5,000 investment would indeed have turned into $2.95 million, while concerns about replicating such a rise in the market with different conditions do exist. The financial pundit remains optimistic about XRP's future. Even more interestingly, an interview with Eduardo Farina, CEO of Alpha Lions Academy, Ara discussed the possibility that a 10,000 XRP price is inevitable. All right, guys, I think you see what I'm getting at. And, what more can you say? This is nothing but bullish for XRP. And I would like to wrap things up going over a few other crypto recommendations to check out on Robinhood, not just, XRP, obviously not financial advice. But let's start things off here with Bitcoin. The return you can make on it's not going to be as good, but I still think it's a good long-term investment, especially if you just start getting into crypto on Robinhood. I think over the next, if you just look at the long-term on it, we'll just say the next 3 years, I think that's good. Bitcoin could easily be trading over 300,000, which would be a 3x return in 3 years. So you'd make some good money there. It's a little bit boring, obviously, Bitcoin, but still, it is what it is. I also think Dogecoin is still good. I will say this. I think fair value for Dogecoin at some point is going to be about $1. The one downside to Doge is that they're always making more of the coin, so it's kind of got an unlimited supply. The one thing Doge has going for it is that Elon Musk, I'm sure, is going to make it a payment on the X platform at some point. I can't say when that's going to happen. I don't know, but I know it's going to happen. And I just think that Dogecoin's always going to be the leading meme coin. There could be ETFs that come out with it in the future. I think fair value for Dogecoin is going to be at $1 at some point. I don't know how high it could go. I'm not saying I do, but I think that it's still undervalued right now at its current price. And really anything under $1, if you got a long-term outlook on it, I think you'll do good on it. Next up, we've got Uniswap. Some people might not know what Uniswap is, but it's a decentralized exchange. Now, it is available for trading on Robinhood, which is cool, but basically, a decentralized exchange is the opposite of a centralized exchange, using Coinbase, for example, or Binance, a couple examples. And basically, you just connect an offline wallet to it, and you could start trading. The benefit to using Uniswap, it's actually the #1 decentralized exchange, is that it's got tons of coins. The fees are going to be lower. There's a little bit more knowledge to using it because you have to do it yourself with different offline wallets or whatever. I definitely see the value in it. price prediction wise, I mean, this thing could go a lot higher. I mean, it wouldn't shock me if it was trading at $100 at some point. Not financial advice, any of this stuff, guys, but I kind of just look at it and I kind of can just eyeball it. And you know, it's not hard to imagine it getting up there at someday. We'll just say over the next 3 years. Now, I did put one risk it for the biscuit plan here, Bonk. Now, this is a meme cryptocurrency. It's on the Solana network, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. But, you know, this is kind of a risk it for the biscuit play. There are other meme coins in the market like Shiba Inu, Pepe, but I think you'll get a better return on Bonk. And that's kind of why I put it in here. If I just look at the chart on it, it is up a lot in the last, obviously, 5. Well, actually, I don't even think it's pulling up the right price on here. I think Robin is just kind of screwed up. But, you know, back to, you know, other than my coin recommendations, you know, the one thing I will say, guys, it does depend on how much money you're starting with if you're looking to make money on Robinhood crypto. A cool thing, though, about using them is you can use margin. It's only for stocks, but if you were buying stocks, you could take some of that money, put it into your crypto portfolio, do that. Margin can be a little bit more risky, but it is still an option on Robinhood. And, you know, I imagine this account probably in the next maybe like 2 to 3 months will be over 1 million easily on here. The one thing you got to know about using Robinhood for crypto trading, though, is that you got to be smart about what you're doing too, guys. It's easy to lose money in crypto, but it really just kind of comes down to having a plan, not getting emotional, and doing your homework, man. But definitely exciting times. Hope you guys enjoy some of the crypto recommendations. You know, just to recap: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Uniswap, Bonk, XRP. Hopefully in the future, Robinhood starts to add more coins to the list. It's been a slow grind over the years watching them add coins. It's been like pulling teeth. I remember when they had 7 coins on here. We're finally at over 20. I think it's like 21 or 22 or 23 or something, but it is what it is. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this update. You know, if you're looking to make $500,000 on Robinhood crypto, you could be next, man. You could be next. Just get better at, you know, handling your emotions when you're trading. Learn about swing trading. Also have some links below in the description and comments for swing trading. It's not something that I could just explain in one video, but you know, it's something that it's a skill you can get good at. It's taken me like 7 or 8 years to get good at it, but if I can do it, here's the thing, guys. You all can do this. It's not like I'm special. I'm just, you know, one person who trades the crypto markets, but you know, we're all in this to win this. We're all in this to get this biscuit. Okay. Also, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you all in the next crypto video.